Thanks for letting me hang at your place this afternoon. No way I can be around my mom right now.
You guys fighting?
Nah, she's wearing some gross new perfume. Can you smell it?
I just thought your cat peed in the car again.
I wish. Hey.
Hey, you missed a smelly ride home with Sam's mom.
Yeah, well, I had to go buy a new backpack. Because someone dumped her breakfast in mine.
You're lucky I didn't dump it down your pants.
Anybody want some iced tea?
Me?
Teamy?
Grab 3 glasses. So what was up with that whole Scottish dancing thing?
Yeah, who wants to see that?
At least you two don't have to sit in detention with her.
Here you go.
Oh, now you see that? Carly puts a nice slice of lemon on my glass. How does she think of that?
Because Carly's classy.
Oh, and I'm not classy?
Classy people don't clean out their ears with their cell phone antenna.
That was your cell phone antenna.
What? Oh. No wonder I keep dropping calls.
Anyway, what right does an English teacher have to force kids to watch dancing?
I wouldn't mind watching good dancing.
You know, that could be a fun thing for iCarly. We have people send in videos of themselves doing their coolest dance.
I'm down. I dig.
Let's do it.
Where'd my straw go?